Welcome, guys, and thanks for being here. Another week. So, preparing a sell position into the next candles. First of all, tell me cómo les fue el fin de semana, qué tal el fin de semana. Bueno, algunos tomaron mi entrada en Bitcoin. Un long bastante interesante, 140 puntos, unos aproximadamente unos 400 dólares el fin de semana. Pero bueno, sí, estuvo bastante interesante. Continuamos con el gold. A ver qué nos deja. El goldcito el día de hoy. Son... So we're running the long position. Sorry, the short position. Through 357, that's my point. I already saw the confirmation there here into the 355. So that's the retracement. So for that reason, we will open the trend in the next 2-3 minutes. Bring a sell position. Let's go back to the sell positions. And let's see what happened here, guys. Let's see what happened here. Let's see what we have. Okay, so 4 hours looks like this. Okay. Okay. So touching the point, let's prepare the position. So let's see the reaction for these candles. The position, it's open. Let me go over here. Okay. The point to the 3357. Okay. 3316. Pending working to the TPS. Estamos en la entrada ya. Enviando los puntos de entrada en Telegram. Y a ver qué nos depara. 2, 5, 1. 8. Full TP. 4, 4. Remember, the most important thing here in this channel is the stop loss. So be clear of that, guys. Please. I don't want to see anyone taking extra risk or something like this. Because the most important thing is the TPs, guys. Sorry, it's the stop loss, not the TPs, the stop loss. Okay. We're chart updated, guys, now. So, well, let's see. Let's expect a good reaction here right now. Let me make it a little bigger. Well, we got the consolidation in 1 minute there. We got another point of reactions, 3359, 59. That's the other point of reaction. Well, we fall into the 3357, that's your 9, that 10, basically. Let's see if the sellers can defend that point. And we will continue with that positions or not. Still there into the point of entry. Testing the 3358. Testing the 3358 at this point. This is the reaction zone, what we need. Of course, everyone to see in the next 6 candles, some red candles, and stay under the 3257, of course. Let's see if we can continue there near to that point. Little reaction for sellers trying to go back to the 3357, 3356. Continue pushing and testing the 3358. So last 5 minutes, This 5 minutes we need to stay under the 3358 at least, or even better, stay under the 3357. But it depends for the next 5 minutes. Good reaction, but we need to continue with that pressure in the next 4 minutes. Hmm. 3 minutes. So we'll continue. I'm trying to test the 3359. With good reactions for the sellers, but again, price is a must to go back to our point of entry. Getting Jolene market, my friend. Thanks for take the trade in Bitcoin, my friend. For me, it was a pleasure, my friend. It was a very nice trade. It was a very nice trade. Zero risk retracement into the stop loss, and we made 140 pips in some hours. Well, many hours, but well, weekend Bitcoin. It's most of the time it's very slow. But well, 140 pips in positive for Bitcoin yesterday. So it was really nice. It was really nice. It's a pleasure. Jerry John. So well, we're still there near to the 3358. So that's okay. That's acceptable for continue holding the same position. Let's see. Let's see if we can find here in this new candle for 1 hour. Looks really strong. Testing the highest prices for Friday. Let's see if they can give us a good reaction. At least go to the 3350, 3348. But it depends for the next candles. I believe this price is going to give us that beautiful reaction there. The zone is for the 4 hours, sell zone in 4 hours. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. As you can see, the sellers is trying to go back. But again, well, I didn't grow the information here. Sorry, guys. 360, that's 70. It's the stop loss. The stop loss is 3360, that's 70. I don't want to see people holding more than that. Be careful with that stop loss. Hmm. 3358. Testing the 3359. So from here, Usman, if you want to open the trade, it's the same. Don't change the stop loss even if you found a better position here. 3360, that's 70, it's the stop loss, okay? So please don't take any position without the stop loss, okay? Martillo para que baje, sí, estaría excelente. Realmente la confirmación que teníamos anteriormente era dentro del 3357, básicamente. Esa era nuestra confirmación de entrada con un punto de reacción cerca del 3358, esto sí, 3358 por ahí. Y se lo está pasando un poco. Así que bueno, a esperar a ver si nos da un poco más arriba este punto. Estamos en zona de venta en 4H. Div Reshka, si quieres revisar en 4H y puedes ver la zona de 4. De 4 horas. Is this gold? Yes, this is gold. Yesterday was Bitcoin, my friend. Yesterday was Bitcoin. But just on weekends, and trade Bitcoin. It's quiet, safe. Most of the time gave us more than 90 pips for a trade, so that was great. This weekend it gave us 140 pips with no retracement, perfect trade, pure patience, pure patience, that's all. So well, let's expect the reaction here in 3359. Looks really strong. But well, let's see. If I lose this trade, for example, this sell zone, again, I will continue just with long positions for during the week. The last week we did the same. Just on Friday, we touched the stop loss, but the other trades during the week for the long position was really acceptable. So just 3 stops for the long positions and around 5 wins for long positions. So well, let's see. Your patience. 3359 again. The sellers didn't appear anymore, so probably they will test the 3359 again. 8 minutes. It's now. Holding the same position. So we'll testing the 3359 and go to the 3360. So probably we will see the stop there. Looks really strong. With not a good reaction at this moment. Seven pips, 4 touch the stop, 5 pips, well, trying to go back a little. Last 7 minutes. Trying to go back just 5 pips. Separate the stop for this position and go back to 3359. Position disappears, there. Now it's appear again. Sorry guys, it's the trading view. I don't know why. But well, sometimes it crashed. 10 pips. 7 pips, 8 pips. Trying to go back to the 3358. Last 5 candles, and probably in these 5 candles we will see the fade for this rate, the stop, or just the price trying to go back to the 3358. But it depends for the next 5 minutes. Of course, we're very close to the stop loss, so more probabilities to see the stop loss than to go back to the 3358. So 5 pips. 5 pips is almost there, and the stop it's there. 5 pips. 5 pips for the stop. 3 pips. 3 pips. Again 5. Yeah, 5. So the next candle will test the stop. Probably the next 2-3 candles we will see the 3360, that 70. So I don't want to see anyone holding positions. Holding positions, please be careful with the hold positions, okay? I don't want to see holding any position with that. Three 60, that 23. And the stop is there. Don't hold positions. Don't hold positions. Uh, 36 pips for the stop, guys. 36 pips stop loss. $36 pips of stop loss is there. Not too much to do. We start with a beautiful trading Bitcoin for 140 pips. But now this trading Tokyo for gold with the stop loss. So well, minus 36 pips. Don't hold positions, guys, please. Don't hold positions. I don't want to see anyone holding positions without that. With that stop loss, okay? So well, not too much to do. The stop loss was so hard. Don't hold positions. The stop loss will touch the stop loss. It's there, so don't hold positions. Accept the stop loss. Accept the result. 36 pips. I will hold. I will back in a New York session. So if you want to come back, just active the notifications, and I'll be back to the New York sessions, guys. The price going high, yes, the price will test the highest prices around the sell zone. There, 3380. So sellers lose the position there, lose the sell zone there. So nothing is going to change. So please don't hold positions, guys. Don't hold positions there. So well, unfortunately, second trade of the week. Yesterday, 100 down, 40 pips in positive in Bitcoin, and today minus 36 pips in gold, guys. Back in New York sessions. In 3361, me guys. I don't like that point anymore because it already break that zone. If you can see, break the 3360. So for that reason, the price will continue and grow up. 3380, something like this. I don't think we will see prices around 3407, to be honest. But probably 3380, 3385, something like this. It's the possible reaction zones there. So for that reason, don't hold positions. Don't never hold a sell zone. Never hold a sell trade, guys. Never hold a sell trade. Okay? Please be clear of that. Stop loss for 36 pips. I'll be back into the New York session, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for understand. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. I'll be back here tomorrow for the New York session. Okay, New York session. Thanks for loss, Crypto Darío. Amigo, así pasa. That things happen, my friend. Even if you're in crypto, you know, the stop loss is part of the trading, my friend. If you are not agree or if you don't like the stop loss, this is not your channel because usually I touch the stop loss. So that's the only reality in trading. Is that make me funny to touch the stop loss? This is not your place because probably you will lose money if you see the funny the stop loss. To the moon probably 3380. Mañana ganamos Octa L, sí, probablemente. It's avoidable. Probably you open your long position. So good job, my friend, for opening your long position. Something what you need to know in this channel, I win more than I lose. So be happy for today. Probably tomorrow and the next days, I will win more than this lose. So I want to see you there. Comments too. Saying something, because most of the time when I lose, of course, people like you comment, but when I win, many people, a lot of people more comment for sure. But the people like you just disappear behind the chat. So well, by my side, that's all, guys. I'll be back in New York session. So if you want to know when I'm going to be in, just active the notifications, and I'll be back, guys. Thanks for